Gonna add this some of I'm just gonna use a half of this. I use like a whole large onion because I'm gonna use the remainder to season the pot half of the time. Oops. Half of the time. I'm gonna dice up some of this. Let's to boil too. Because I have to boil the beans different. And then I'm also going to make some basmati brown rice to go with this. Season the rest of garlic. I use 3 garlics. 1 teaspoon of Maggi, season it up, all purpose. Scotch bonnet pepper, sazon, pimento, some jerk seasoning, and the good old teriyaki. And I have some ginger. I'm gonna go in with some ginger to wash this ground ginger. I'm gonna just wash it. To beat it, it's better to squeeze it, but I don't have the time. Some people maybe not want to taste it, but I love to rub my seasoning, so that's why I'm always like that. I like to rub it in, especially if I did not season overnight, so it will absorb better. So I'm gonna let this sit a little while, maybe 30 minutes or so, and then I'll put it in the pot, cover it, and then in the same time I'm gonna be boiling the peas. And then I combine both. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm going to add some butter to the pot. I'm about to just cook it up in here a little. When they're both halfway cooked, I'm gonna combine the tripe and the beans. At this point, I'm just gonna add a little water and it helps to keep it from drying out. And also, you can use the warm water on top to put in there so it boils quicker. The tripe is still cooking. I'm gonna add the tuna. I'm gonna let that cook. Guys, I'm gonna be cooking this organic basmati brown rice along with the tripe and bean. So I'm just gonna put a teaspoon of salt and like 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, you don't have to put butter, you don't have to add salt, but brown rice in itself already have a weird taste. I'm adding the remaining pack of the sazon, a beef time. Let me cut this one. And then leave the fridge door, please. And the remainder of the natural season. I'm gonna add a pepper to that. Yes, Edie. And then more pepper. One tablespoon butter. Sorry, Edie. Half teaspoon of seasonal. Quarter teaspoon black pepper. Some garlic powder. I have rolls for you. Wait, I have rolls for you. Give me a minute, Papa. Give me a minute. I have rolls for you. Turn on, reduce the heat. Add a little water. 2 cups of brown rice to 6 cups of water. So it's been boiled. That's the organic basmati brown rice. And over here, tripe and bean ready. Okay, guys. Tripe and bean with brown basmati rice and some vegetable.